Bonjour à tous! Today, let's have a look at this French conjugation which means to do or to make. It is one of the most important French conjugations since the French people love to use this verb at a lot of different places. So, the meaning of faire is to do or to make. Like I do, you do, he does, she does, we do, you do, they do, or like I make, you make, he makes, she makes, and so on. Now, how are we going to conjugate this verb in different forms? So, along with je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, and elle. So, along with je, the conjugation of this verb is going to be je fais. Je fais. Tu fais. So with je and tu, the conjugation remains the same. It's je fais and tu fais. Il fait, elle fait, and on fait. If you notice, the pronunciation of je, tu, il, elle, on, that is same, but the spelling is changing in case of il, elle, and on form. It is F-A-I-T. So, il fait, elle fait, on fait. Nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, elles font. So once again, je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, on fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font, and elles font. Now, let's have a look at few examples of the same. If I have to say, I am making a cake. So we are going to say, je fais un gâteau. You are doing your homework. Tu fais tes devoirs. Always remember that homework is supposed to be plural in French. And that is why we are going to use te along with it and not ton or ta. He is making a card. Il fait une carte. She is doing gardening. Elle fait du jardinage. We are doing yoga. On fait du yoga. We are making the bed. Nous faisons le lit. They are making a salad. Ils font une salade. They are shopping. Elles font du shopping. Now, there can be a question that over here in the last sentence they are shopping. Why am I using the conjugation of the verb faire when in the sentence there is nothing like I'm making shopping or I'm doing shopping? The reason behind that is whenever we are going to talk about shopping, we always talk about it in the sense that we are doing it. And that is the reason that as an expression, we are always going to use the conjugation of the verb faire along with it. So it's So it's going to be elles font du shopping. Très bien. Try making few sentences using this verb and see if you have understood it or not. And if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!